Welcome to JSL peeps. On today's episode, on these episodes, I am undertaking a little bit of a maintenance routine stuff on this Peugeot 306, I believe so, Max Power style. Everything that I'm going to be doing is going to be in series of videos. So basically, to run you through what needs to be done. So this is how it opens up. Got my Max Power style and stuff. Custom door cards, custom interior, custom everything has been done donkeys ago. Thousands of pounds have been spent on this vehicle. So, what my mission is on this car. First of all, I've got two sets of interior lights, which are somewhere here. I have them, yeah. So I have two set of these ambient lights, whatever they're called. So one set is gonna go in for the footwells in here, and then another set is gonna go under the dash somewhere here. So we'll try and figure out how we'll be installing all this stuff, as there is tons of cables and tons of wiring and whatnot, so we'll have to work it out. So one there, and one under that side, one under that side for the back, and then another set of lights are going to be run inside here, and we'll light this logo up. Same as on the other side, it's just hidden under there. So that's sort of one of the jobs. Another job is to install a 4-channel amplifier, Vibe one, and then basically I think it might go underneath there, but I will figure that one out when I get to it. Then the next phase is fit all these door cards properly so they fit flush-ish, which is I'll try do me best and see what's actually holding these things together and what not. By the look of it, not much is actually holding it together, so do me best. So basically that is job number 2. Job number 3, the door cards. Check out the speaker wires, stuff like that, and then on this side we'll be doing some welding. Right. When it wants to open. Right. So this door drops dramatically down. I don't know where you freaking can open it. Oh, the freaking handle has been snapped on it. Right, 2 secs. Let's try and open it from the inside somehow. So right, so this door drops down quite badly. As you can see, there's that bolt there, and that needs to be all sorted out because it's just all over the place. But that's going to be the very last job, because we'll have to go under there. See that mess there? We'll have to put a reinforcement plate in or something like that to make this all work. It is going to be a bit tricky to do some of the jobs because the battery is not in and nothing works, so it's a completely deadish car at the moment. So basically what I'm going to be doing first of all is strip all this interior out, front seats, back seats, probably the backrests as well, so I can get to all this wiring malarkey wherever the hell it's going. Probably open the boot as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse now, and we'll start stripping this thing out. So basically we'll take out the seats like I said, and then we'll go from there.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed.
Well, bloody took me just to get this one shitty seat, because for some reason it was freaking seized up. So it had my life, this seat. So put this thing away. So I believe the will be attaching a light to underneath here along there, because there's no other option really, same as for this. This might have it, I'm just gonna fit them all in here so they're all even. They'll still kind of shine a light no matter what, and then we'll make the connection so you can disconnect it whenever if you wanted to remove the seat instead of chopping it off. So do it properly. So what else have I got to do? Now I've got to remove this center console, which is two bolts are hidden under there, two there, and then there's nothing in here, some cables for whatever reason, probably for the rear fold down windows, and then there is two tents in here, and I believe then this whole thing should come out then. So my DJI is on charge at the moment because it's nearly dead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this off camera, take the center section out, and then I'll give us an update. Well, what can I say? After a few hours of messing around, trying to sort the fucking existing cables in here, just to kind of get some sort of idea where I can actually run this stuff and where I can hide things and whatnot and what this, that and the other. So basically I've eventually the RCAs were like out in here, they were installed wrong badly. So that there, that's the connector for the amp, that's where the amp is gonna go, inside there. But the thing is, before I can actually put it all in properly, I need to get it all in, tune it, attach all this, make sure speakers are all right. I've just really just made it so I know where it's everything going, everything fits in there, so it's gonna be living in there with all that sort of crap. That's not even attached. I've tried to reattach it, but it just doesn't want to go on, no matter what the hell I do. It's like, I don't know what the hell has happened there, but fuck NAS. Fucking max power shit. They did them nicely, but fucking hell, if you would want to do some maintenance, it's an absolute fucking mess. So the module is gonna go in here with all this shit. Module will be put in there. One strip's gonna go there, one strip there, and then we'll feed the cables through, because I'm gonna be chopping the back ones off to make them the attachable, reattachable. Front ones are gonna go in solid. I'm just gonna hide the wires away, so that is gonna go in there, and then I'm gonna eventually later on find where to plug it all in, or I might just make my own harness that is attached to whatever, and I know that it's gonna work when it comes on. But that's half of the problem. The main problem is get it all installed, wired up and ready to go. So I'm gonna put you now on a time lapse, and I'm gonna do my best to get the front part of the LEDs installed and bring the cables out for the back. As you can see where the screwdriver has been stuck in, that's where I want the cables to come out from this side, same as sort of like that, but from underneath the seat, so you don't see anything. And then it's just gonna plug in when you put the seat in, and that's it. And then we'll attach the other cables or neon, the underglow strips under there. So that is the plan of action. I'm going to put you on a time lapse like I said, and let's fit this first kitten then.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I?
Eventually we are getting somewhere. I've got 2 footwell lights already going off my battery, so they got installed underneath there on the bracket that I tidied up before, because before that you couldn't even get the fucking fingers in. And this one is attached to this metal bracket there, cable tied. Didn't use any sticky tape because it's absolutely pointless. So now the next mission is get the other 2 in, and I need to solder an end to it. So I've got these connectors stashed somewhere in here with all my LED business. There's some cable. Here it is. Here we are. And I need 4-way one, so one of these and one of these. This is for the car end, this is for the seat end. So there's another one for the car and for the car and for the seat. Coolio. So I'm gonna solder these two on this end, them there, and then once I've done that, we'll come back to here, solder, install the strip on there, and then solder the connector, other side of the connector, onto the LED. To be fair, I'm gonna solder them straight away onto the LEDs. I think so. Yeah, because the LED is gonna go just in there, like that, and I will just attach this cable to there. Probably cut it shorter again. No, I'm gonna attach them first, and then I'm gonna solder them. But yeah, let's go get these soldered in, and heat shrink them all nicely, and then proceed with the seats.
Out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
And that's the LEDs all done, as you could see. I just cable tied them to here. Perfectly fine cable tying this stuff, and then connectors, So you can just, when you remove the seats, you just disconnect them, and that's it. And that's what it looks like on the car. And I'll show you basically what the whole meaning of them connectors are. So basically, if you lift the seat up, you've got this cable here, and then that's it. So you just put it away or whatever, and then this thing just connects itself, and then you can just position it wherever you want, so it's more towards the middle. Well, obviously I didn't close properly, but that's it. And then it allows it to move back and forth when you move the seat and stuff like that, and no cables to be seen. And that's the finished product, really. So at least something has gone in so far. So all the LEDs are basically installed, and the next job will be stripping these door cards off, and installing LEDs on the rear doors, like I said, for them to light up as well at the same time with all that. And yeah, so basically next job is the doors. Take the doors off, check on the speakers, the polarities are all good, and sorting the door cards on and blah blah blah. So yeah, it's all probably gonna go on a tile ups from now on, yeah, when I'm stripping all these doors apart, and then I will be chatting, yapping and whatnot.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate, think I could